Angela got one. Who's going to get the other?
It's a biggie! Another one!
Whoa, that's humongous. You come here and show the camera that humongous potato. Look at that, gigantic. Well done.
Tick! It's the yummy yellow kind. Let's see a potato. Justin, look what I found. A worm. Slittery, slop.
Can you catch the worm, Angela?
No.
Can Justin catch the worm?
Here's another.
Oh, another potato. Boy, that's not near as big as the humongous one you just got. You're gonna be a plumber someday, aren't you, Justin?
Dad, you know why we're getting some potatoes? That's because the mud. This is the one we pulled.
Look at that. That was a...
That's Montgomery!
Oh yes, that's a good car, isn't it? I don't know when you need to drive the other home. I suppose you've got all sorts of papers to take.
Look at the big...
Look at that humongous piece of pumice Angela found. Okay, back in the water. Back in the water. Big jump in the water. Big jump in the water. Okay, good enough.